Good novatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Let's just get into it. Of course, a new lineup, a new color scheme, a new paint job from Harley Davidson. The Harley Enthusiast collection based off of what looks to be muscle car era style paint job. So I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments what do you guys think. I'm not a huge fan of blue. I don't know if you guys already noticed, but you're probably wondering what's new with this. You know, what is that one-off piece that sets this bike apart? What is that one thing that really makes this bike special? You're probably wondering, does it have a 135, maybe a 131, maybe a 128? I mean, they have all these parts at hand. They make them. They're the manufacturer of these parts. You know, what is it, that one thing that really sets this bike apart from the rest of the lineup? And it's pretty much the paint, and that's it. Like most of their, you know, collections, most of their limited serialized models, it's just the paint job, and that's pretty much it. And it's not even like, you know, $600 or even 1,500, kind of like on the anniversary edition ones, which is really nice. But this one, let's take a look here. Let's look at the Lowrider ST. Now, you guys let me know, are you guys a fan of this setup, of this it's like a rally stripe? I just don't really understand. And they actually have a hog, Johnnie the pig, I believe that's what they're calling it. Oh, it's also on the fender, rear fender. It reminds me of what bike had this type of paint job? The Fat Bob 2020, 2019. The Fat Bob had this paint job. Or was it 2017? No. It was one of those. 2018 maybe. It had this paint tank badging. So, oh, okay, here it also has it on the front fender. But look how much they're asking. $2,000. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. $2,000. $2,000 for it, because it's serialized, one of 2,000, like a lot of what, you know, Harley's been doing lately. $2,000. You had El Diablo, that was what, well, how much was that? Was that $5,000 for the El Diablo? The El Diablo still looks better. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of blue, but I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? Like I said, nothing's done to them, nothing. You know, same engine, same suspension, same wheel set, same wheel color. I mean, I just don't understand. I've always been saying this in all my videos ever since they started the Icon collection. Harley can team up with an aftermarket supplier. They could team up with, you know, the hundreds of aftermarket support that they have, the manufacturers. They could team up with Saddlemen, Lepera, Clockworks. They could team up with all of these guys. There's even, you know, shops they also make Harley parts. You know, Advent Black, Paul Yaffe, all of these shops, they can make one-off parts for Harley Davidson, and they could, you know, team up, and they can make an exclusive piece that really sets these bikes apart. But I just don't get it, because I mean, we've seen this in the automotive business and the automotive industry. Chevrolet, you have Ford, Celine, Roush, you have of course, I mean the list goes on. Yanko, you have all kinds of, you have, I believe, even Dodge with Hennessy. I'm not sure if they actually teamed up or they were just offering, you know, additional parts. But yeah, Roush, Steve Celine, and of course the Cobra lineup. Anyways, you guys get the point. They could team up with any of these shops, any of these aftermarket suppliers, make one-off pieces, even just put in an order of 2,000, because that's how many of these limited edition models they're making. They could put in a limited amount of seats with Saddlemen, 2,000 an order, special one-off seats. Let's take a look at of course the models here. I really like this ST White Pearl. Why would anybody, I don't know. Oh wow, and it's $3,000. It's $3,000 on the touring models. So it's 2,000 for the ST, and it's 3,000 for the for the touring models. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of blue. Maybe somebody out there that really likes blue. This is, you know, your chance on getting a blue bike or a blue ST. But man, you know what? That white sand pearl looks really nice though on that bronze. And you know, it's 2,000. It's over $2,000 cheaper. Like I said, nothing with the engine. Nothing, you know, you don't get better stopping power, better suspension. You don't get, you know, better performance. None of that. You get blue, and that's pretty much it. And it's like a lighter shade of coral reef. You know, I guess we got to see this in person. That blue needs to be like a pearl blue. We can't really see it, of course. You know, you have to see these paint jobs in person, and that white has to be like a pearl white as well. I mean, for this to be $3,000, because you guys remember the actual blue that I was fond of was, of course, the Arctic Blast. This Street Glide was another limited run edition, and I believe this was $3,000 as well. This one you get, you know, just the detail, the paint job's way better. You know, you get pinstriping. You don't even get pinstriping on this. It's just plain Jane, you know, white, and that's it. There's no pinstriping. Not, you know, a little bit of extra detail. Nope, just blue and white, and that's it. The Arctic Blast, you get all kinds of shades of blue. You know, you get that pearl, you get that ghosting, and then you get these other, you know, these additional blues, of course. And man, this one was a really beautiful bike right here. So I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? You guys excited about blue for $3,000? I have a video out coming soon, a motovlog, where I mention, you know, ever since the new CEO took over, we've been seeing a lot of these one-off, limited edition, limited run, you know, bikes. The Icons, the GI, you know, the El Diablo, the Arctic Blast. You also have, like I said, the Icons, and it's just the same thing. Yeah, I mean, they could team up with a supplier. I'm not gonna repeat myself. All right, you guys get the point. You guys let me know what you guys think. Stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.